All right, I'm gonna tell the quick story of my first ever date on the dating app Hinge. At this point, it was about 2 years ago, but I figured, telling personal stories might be fun. And I'm also creating a video on my main channel about dating apps, so feel free to check that out. But I talked a little bit about it actually on that video, but this is the more thorough one, I suppose. So for Hinge, I downloaded it in around like February-ish, and then I talked to the person I ended up meeting up with, I think like 2 weeks into having downloaded the app, and then we met up maybe a week or two after we started texting each other. Like we went from Hinge to text pretty quickly, and she seemed like a very nice girl. She was very responsive. She liked talking about I'm not gonna give too much info, obviously, but like she just liked talking about like fun, interesting things. So I thought, let's meet with this person. And then after we decided where to go, we ended up arriving first, and then she told me like, oh, she's gonna be late and everything, but at the same time, I had somewhere to be. It was like a meetup that was gonna last only for a certain period of time, like an hour or two, and then I had to drive to San Diego that day to hang out with some friends. I don't know why I did that, why I planned it for that day, but I was just like, why not? It fits the schedule. So I did that, and she ended up being really, really late because something happened, I guess, and she just had to deal with it, and it was a little last minute, but I wasn't that upset, or I didn't really mind that much, to be honest, about the lateness. It was more so, she was 30 minutes late. It was more so like after it happened, because I had to go pretty soon, I ended up paying for the meal ahead of time, because it was one of those places where it's like, okay, you just go up to the counter, pay for it, and you can sit at a table. So I did that. I asked her what she wanted, and got the stuff, and was just waiting there for a while, didn't eat. And then it was a good conversation overall, but there was never any mention for the meal that I paid for. Oh, thank you for paying for the meal. Oh, I like nothing, just no appreciation whatsoever. My hand's getting tired, I'm gonna flip. But that was the main reason why I was kind of a little upset. I wasn't too upset, it was more so just annoyed, but I thought it was kind of hilarious. Well, after that happened, we walked around the area and just talked, and she seemed like a genuinely nice person, and I hope she's doing well. But afterwards, we talked a little bit through text, and she just told me that she was moving away a week or two from that moment of the text. So I'm like, what was the point of that? I'll also say that I approached things with a friend way. I usually start off by saying, let's just meet as friends. Let's just meet. It's not like a real date or anything like that. It was just more so let's start off as friends and let's meet up and let's see how things go. But yeah, I don't know. My friend told me that's not the best way to approach it, but I approached it that way because it just felt more right to me. But yeah, I mean, yeah, she was a nice person, and other than the whole me paying for the meal and her not thanking me, she was a nice person. I guess some people just get I don't know, get caught up with other things and forget to say thank you. But my tip basically in my main video was, if you're meeting with someone, don't actually pay for their meal unless it was a really good interaction. I guess in my situation, I kind of didn't have a choice unless I bought the meal on my own first and then waited for her to come and just get her thing. But then it takes time for it to be made, and that just seems inefficient, So that's what happened. Yeah, pretty short story, honestly. But it was kind of, I don't even know what the truth is. I'm pretty sure she did move, but I just think it's like hilarious why like why would you meet up with me if you're, I don't know, maybe it was a last minute thing. I just thought strange, but there, you know, there's that small chance that, or maybe not even a small chance, but there was a chance that basically my first ever date on Hinge was just like a girl out to get a free meal and that's it. Because I have talked to people like who have mentioned that, yeah, they see it that way sometimes. It's like, oh yeah, it's usually friends or people I know that are girls, females, who say like, oh yeah, they just want to meet with someone and like get a free meal from them and like that's their date and stuff like that. So yeah, definitely don't be tricked into that, I guess. I don't know. I don't know. Like my mom's always told me, like, look, you're the guy. She's very traditional, Asian mom. You're the guy. You have to pay for the meal, like blah blah blah. But honestly, you don't need to do it unless it was a good experience. Like what I should have done was request the money back from her, which I don't know why I didn't do that. I don't know why I didn't do that. I was maybe too shy, or I was just like whatever about it. But I should have requested it, even though she said she was moving away. But yeah, that's a lesson learned. I mean, like, it's something I feel like I don't need to deal with anymore. But just a lesson that maybe you guys can take something away from. That's the story of my first date on Hinge, I suppose. Okay, catch you guys in the next one.